I'm going to start YouTube starting today. It's May 27th. It's Memorial Day. I'm going to do a daily YouTube. I'm going to do daily YouTube's content. I'm doing daily YouTube content is because you have to have content, whether that's on Instagram or, shit, it's easier if I just draw it. Our daily YouTube content. You could do it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Reels or YouTube Shorts. You could do, so these are video. You could do written, which is more like Twitter, blogging, maybe a Facebook group, a Facebook post, Facebook. You can have community, things like Skool, Discord, Patreon, and OnlyFans, stuff like that. So YouTube is a must. YouTube is where people go to, well, it's not a must, but people go to YouTube to get education and entertainment. So Patrick Bet David with like valuetainment is perfect. He gives you value and it entertains you. So YouTube. So what I'm on a YouTube about? Currently, I'm using Skool. If you don't know who I am, I run 2 Skool communities. One in trading called Consistently Profitable, and then one in cold calling. Was the sales training niche. I'm going to start with cold calling, expand it to discovery, expand it to closing, expanding it to a B2B sales process, expanding that to like frameworks, right? And that's just something else. We don't have to talk about that yet. Wait, that's cold calling. So these groups are growing organically on its own right now. So just by having these 2 groups, the users have been going up on its own without any content. Now, I wouldn't want to go back and record, trading or sales content like that because I just wouldn't be able to make 100 videos. It's not what I'm focused on currently. What I could do is create a 6-week course or module, let's call it, where they get 4 modules for free and then they got to stay for the final 2. And I could stack it with other kind of assets, knowledge, information. And the Skool will be a free lead magnet to get this. And in order to continue, they would have to then get an upsell. So it's the free to upsell model. What else? So create content, drive them to community. And for me, I'll be doing daily YouTube content about my own school journey, mainly as a way to document my journey and kind of, document my lowest points, and also use it to promote the school games and school in general. I can use it to interview other admins or creators, I guess. I could also document my experience and kind of learn a new skill set. Like this is going to be a very rough around the edge video, but a lot of my videos are just going to be rough around the edge, right? Going to be short, 3 to 5 minutes a day. This is a little longer because it's like mapping out the entire strategy, but it'll be more bite-sized pieces, challenges I'm running into, you know, things I'm hearing within different communities, provide assets, and really, there's going to be to promote the affiliate of Skool, right? To help someone start their own school, because when they start their own school, they're going to run into issues that I ran into, such as offers, content, um, different monetization strategies, community building, paid ads, copywriting. Like they're going to run into issues, right? That they didn't know about when they first started school. Even if you've got a huge community today, if you're a creator with a community on social media, not a community, if you have followers on social media and you don't have a community yet that you're monetizing, um, let's sync up, right? Book a call for 15 minutes. Let's see, do you serve the niche, such as the wealth, the health, or the relationship niche? And if you're not a creator, but you're someone with info that is in this niche of wealth creation, health, or relationship, let's also book a 15-minute call to strategize. It's not going to be a sales call because you're going to walk away with just like, hey, I want to go on a sales call. Then we can book a sales call. Otherwise, you could just walk away and get some sauce. If you do want to start your community, you can use my referral link. And if you use my referral link, you will be automatically enrolled into my Inner Circle Mastermind, where I will run weekly calls to share what I'm going through, help you out. Maybe it's vice versa. You're helping me out or you're helping someone else out. I'm going to have that community for only people that have used my referral affiliate link. And it's going to give you all the sauce around engagement, around kind of organic traffic, and also running your content strategy to get more traffic. I'm studying Alex. I'm going to study. Oh, one last thing is around AI, right? I'm going to use AI and agents in the next 12 to 60 months. So really get tuned in into the AI community and utilize large language models to build out these courses, especially if you're someone that's in the inner circle. Like we can build these out for you, get you ramped up. It's going to be likely like do it with you type stuff, kind of give you the guidance, and you can go off and venture off on your own. All right, 3 reasons why you have to get onto Skool today, right? One is just around like online education. And I'm going to have another video on this in the future. Alex talks about it, where the trend is where the money's going towards online education away from traditional education. That's one. The second reason you should get on Skool ASAP is because you could just use AI and large language models to do this work for you, right? So to build out those courses, to build out the community, to build out your content, whatever. I help you use AI and large language models and eventually agents to run this stuff to get you sped up ASAP. Um, you know, Looking for creators that are making from zero to $0 and trying to make the first 1,000 of MRR, right? Which a lot of people are doing in the Skool game. So if you have something that covers in the health, wealth, or relationship niche, like, hey, dude, like fashion or like dating or whatever, dude, let's link up, 15-minute conversation, see if this niche can work out, what the offer opportunities might be. Like, you don't even got to buy anything at that call, because if this is something you want, then you can just sign up with my affiliate and then we can work together. The third reason why you should sign up for Skool, um, online education, large language models. I mean, Skool itself is like Facebook, so to speak. So it's going to grow at a very fast clip. Like, Facebook was the social media network during Facebook's time. And what Skool's done is combine a lot of different assets that we'll go into in a separate video around the class and calendar and community. That's going to tie it differently for some people, and take advantage of this online education trend and social media trend. You know how big Facebook became in the future or in the past. So Skool has the potential to at least hit some scale, right? And just having a school today, as Ryan wrote in Skool, like, it's just going to give you that advantage, right? So just I'll wrap it up with this in terms of, oh shit, in terms of my own Skool growth recently, in terms of just like the metrics. So a month ago, I had 273 members, and I didn't really promote this at all. And as you can see, the activity was going down, but it was still growing organically just by having a school. And now it's at 41%. So I'm trying to figure out tactics to get the engagement higher, which I'm learning a lot from just being in other groups and meeting other kind of creators. What's really cool about the cold calling niche is I didn't do many, I didn't do a lot of promotion here, and it's organically grown by 56 members just over the last kind of not even 1 month yet, because of the niche of cold calling. So finding the right niche, there's going to be different monetization strategies that you can put into play and just speed it up, right? So if you're interested, just book a time. And yeah, this in future videos, it'll be a lot shorter. I promise you that. All right, man. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.